Hello, this is Elena from ServiceMonster. Today we'll be reviewing how to create a marketing campaign. Marketing campaigns are one of the awesome marketing features available to our Premier and Pro customers. But first, let's talk about why. Why should you create a marketing campaign? Marketing campaigns are a great way to reach out to your clients and prospects to remind them of all your business has to offer. Now, this could be in the form of a monthly newsletter, a thank you email, or an estimate follow-up call. But in all situations, brand awareness is key. You want to ensure that your company comes to mind when they need work done, and continue to position yourself as the expert of their home to build a long-lasting customer relationship. All right, let's hop on in and take a look. Okay, from the home screen, click on Marketing over on the left. And then we're going to click on Campaigns. Here you can view your past campaigns and lead sources. To create a new campaign, click on the Add Campaign button at the top. This opens up our Campaign Builder wizard. From here, you can choose what type of campaign you want to make. We have email campaigns. This allows you to send out a mass email to your audience or create an export file of the audience's information for external use. These emails are sent through the ServiceMonster server unless you have set up your SMTP settings to have them send through your own email server. If you want to set the campaign up to send out emails through ServiceMonster, you will need to set up a marketing template, and that will be the email that's sent out. Next, we have letter campaigns. So these give you the option to create labels and/or letters to easily send mail to clients. If you choose to print out letters from ServiceMonster, you will need to set up a marketing template for it. These marketing templates can utilize data tags to be personally customized for each client you are printing a letter for. And next we have calls. So these are phone campaigns. This creates call activities for you within ServiceMonster and/or an export file of the audience's information for external use. And then finally, we have export campaigns. This allows you to create an export file with your audience's information for marketing use outside of ServiceMonster. All right, so once you choose what type of campaign you want to create, you'll start building an audience. You have 3 options to choose from to help build your audience. We have basic, standard, and advanced. The basic option lets you pick an audience from a predefined list of filters. We have done the work of setting up the filters for you. All you have to do here is pick one of the options from the list. You can also use this as a starting point for the campaign and go in and edit or add in filters later. For standard, our standard option lets you check off boxes to create the filters you want and build your audience. These include account filters, invoice filters, and appointment filters. For advanced, the advanced option lets you build your audience from scratch. From the new campaign page, you can click on the 00 accounts filtered button, then click on the add condition button to start adding in your own filters. This is only recommended for those with experience in building campaigns in ServiceMonster already. So once you have picked your audience, you will then be able to edit the campaign details, including the campaign name, which is the name of the campaign, the description, which is the description of the campaign, the marketing group, which is what marketing group you want it to go into. You can also add in your own custom options for this. And the marketing subgroup, what subgroup you want this campaign to be organized as. You can also add in your own custom options for this. Go ahead and click Next when you're ready. If you click Save and Run, it will take you to the campaign page and open up the box to set the settings for the campaign to run. This will look a little different for every campaign type. If you click Save, it will take you to the page for that campaign. Here you have the options to make a copy of the campaign, check the filters that are on the campaign, or add in new filters, run the campaign, and also delete the campaign. The History tab allows you to see the details of all the past times that the campaign had run. And remember that you can run the campaign from here at any time by clicking the Run Campaign button. And remember to click Save when you're finished. Now, if we were going to run this campaign, we would click Run Campaign. For email campaigns, if you want ServiceMonster to send out the email, you can click on the Send Email box. And here you can choose the Reply To. Reply To is the email address it will look like the emails are being sent from and the email that clients can reply to. Subject is the subject line for the email. Document is the marketing template that will be sent out. So you'd want to go ahead and select from the options which template. Case is the case style for the email, either as is, uppercase, or mixed. Send test to. Here you can add in an email address the test email will be sent to. Target count is the number of clients who are being sent this email. And cost, this is an optional box where you can enter in your cost information about a campaign. This is helpful for if you are running campaigns outside of ServiceMonster that have an associated cost. When you filled everything in and when you are ready, you can go ahead and choose to send that test email to yourself or click Run Campaign to run the campaign and send out the emails. The system will take a moment to process and send out those emails. Once it is complete, it will notify you by updating to say complete. Once the campaign has run, you will be able to see the information about the last time it was run, and to the right, the campaign results will be updated as the campaign is used as a lead source for accounts or orders. Now let's take a look at a letter campaign. So here's our new letter or mail campaign. Go ahead and click Run Campaign. So in here, you can choose if you want to create an export file. If you want to print letters, you will need to choose the marketing template. So select from the list. And case, this is the case style. So same as before, you have as is, all uppercase or mixed. If you want to print labels, you have the label type to select here. Start at means which label it will start printing at. In case you are using a previously used label sheet, case is same as before. You choose as is, all uppercase or mixed case. And address C is where you choose how the letter will address the recipient. Once you are happy with the details, you can click Run Campaign. The system will begin the process of putting together your letters and labels for you. When it's done, it will be marked as complete. When you click Close, the page for the campaign will update. At the bottom of the campaign details, you will be able to click on and download the export list, labels, and letters created for the campaign. On the right, you will be able to see the information about the campaign as it is used as a lead source for accounts or orders. Now let's run a call campaign. So you just made your call campaign. You're going to go ahead up here and click Run Campaign. So for a call campaign, you can create an export file, Or if you choose to create a call list, you have the option to delete pending marketing calls. This will help to clear out your activities and remove past marketing calls that have not been completed. Call date. Choose the date the call should be done on, and send call to. You can either select all users or specify specific users in ServiceMonster who should be handling the calls. And of course, you can fill in your target count and cost. Once you click Run Campaign, it will process the campaign, changing to say Complete when it is done. Once you click Close, the page for the campaign will update to include information about the last time the campaign was run at the bottom of the page, and the campaign results to the right, as the campaign is used as a lead source for orders. And you can find these call activities by going into Accounts, then Activities. Here you can see a list of all your activities, which you can filter using this dropdown to show just pending activities or calls or emails, whatever you are searching for. And finally, be sure to take a look at your results. Head over to Reports down here on the left in the main menu. Click on Reports. And these are all of your reports. Now look under the marketing section, and you can see there are 2 right here that are for your campaigns. So go ahead and open up campaign results, and here you can take a look at all of your campaign results. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to visit our help site for more information or contact our friendly support team if you have any further questions. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.